I went to my local thrift store and I found a top, which I was just like, I have to have it. And I was just so completely floored with the top that I decided to buy it. But then I realized, wow, this could be something so much greater. This is what it looks like, and I really liked it. I really love this outfit. It was $10, and it's backless. And I mean, it's not a true backless, and it's got this stuff here, and it's got this little bodysuit. So I'm like, what can I do with this crazy little outfit to make it look better? I have this broken bracelet that I will be using in this outfit. I've had it for many years. My mother bought it for me, and I just didn't want to ever throw it away. I also got this nice chunky necklace from a thrift store. It was about $15, and it just has a lot of material to work with, so I will be using this. I will be using this velvet material for this project, and it's pretty dirty, so excuse me while I get the dust off. First things first, I am laying out the bodysuit on my table and assessing what I'm going to do. In my head, I had the idea of kind of showing off my back and having a halter neckline, or something high collared, so I wanted to really just cut away a lot of the excess material and still highlight the beading of the fabric. This is what the bodysuit looks like now, being completely cut apart. So I kept the neckline to help with the high collar, and then I'm going to be using the armholes as straps in the future, and you can see my back, and it looks amazing. Now I'm going to be using that bracelet. As you can see, I'm going to have to attach it, so I'm going to use that neckline already, and I'm going to sew it down. I'm using jump rings and attaching them to the former bracelet part and to the neckline to keep it up together at the top. And of course, I'm using my trusty needle nose pliers. I decided to use closure from the necklace and use a lot of the metal that it has. So I'm going to take it apart and use the end clasps and some of the metal chain pieces, attach it to the neckline, and secure it that way. This way it won't be too restricting on my neck and I can adjust it. Here you can see that I'm using only a few pieces of chain to attach to the top and the bottom of the old bracelet pieces, now the neckline. Ta-da! Isn't it beautiful? Sparkle, sparkle. And this was only a little bit of work. Next, I added a lot of black beads to the straps and just sewed those together. Nothing too special. Now I'm going to cut out a nice new waistline because this is really long on me and I have a shorter torso, and I wanted to keep a little bit of the design. So I cut around it and made it even. Because when you're working with fabrics like this, because it is beaded, like beads are going to go flying everywhere, and if you want to stop that, just add some clear nail polish. Take out that velvety fabric and drape it across my body to make a skirt. I love the idea of a slit, so I'm going to cut out the rest of the fabric in the skirt shape, sew it into a skirt, but leave the slit on the front of the opening and really not have to worry too much about sewing it. And then making a dart in the back and cutting that out as well. And now I'm just hand sewing it to the dress top. This took forever, by the way. This was the longest process. If you thought beading was bad, no, this was bad because I decided to add black beads at the bottom too. But I think this turned out amazing, and here's the final reveal. you guys liked this video and this quick transformation. I think I might go back and add more details. I think it's really romantic and sexy, and you know, I think it's really interesting how I got to play with different shapes and it came to life. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to click that thumbs up. Comment down below if you liked my transformation of this suit into the gown that it is now. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe already. I don't know what you're waiting for. And I guess I'll just have to wait for you to come back and see my next video. Bye! There's like a fly like going everywhere and it makes me want to just smash it! So I just wanted to say today's my birthday. I'm born on July 21st. Today is July 21st and I was able to put out this video on time. So I hope you guys enjoy while I'm out enjoying my birthday. So bye again. Like, how many times am I going to add like ending scenarios? Always. I just got out of the dress and took off my makeup and I'm like, oops.